Good morning, friend. Happy day 9, I think, of Vlogmas. So we got some look at Papa. Okay, first of all, I am obsessed with Pops. Look at his little boots. He's so cute. He's been sitting in the corner of our living room like the distinguished father spirit of the force that he is. Just an entire vibe. And me and Papa, we've been vibing these last few days. Pops is amazing. Anyway, we got a few packages of like gifts that I ordered. And so I think I'm gonna wrap those today. But friend, you know me. I don't think I'm going to wrap. I think I'm gonna paint the wrapping paper. I don't wanna just wrap gifts and that's it. I did do some DIY wrapping paper last year. I'll like link it. But I mostly used markers and this time I really do wanna use paints. The problem is, I don't know where my paints are. And my office is an absolute mess. So yeah, honestly at this point, whatever paint I find, it doesn't even have to be red or green, we're using it. I don't even care at this point. We're going to use that paint. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I think I'm gonna do today. We also did like a grocery store like pickup run recently. So we have a ton of like paper bags. So I might do like a DIY upcycling paper bag wrapping paper thing and maybe paint on those if I can find my paints. I think that's what I'll do today. But it's messy. That's embarrassing. It's kind of messy in here. So I'm gonna clean up first and then get started with wrapping. So I think we might have accidentally recycled the paper bags from the grocery store pickup, but I did find this bag from Cava, so I'm gonna use this one and try to do a little upcycle thing. Okay, so I was gonna use the inside of this Cava bag, so it was just gonna be the brown part of it, even though I have brown wrapping paper. Don't ask. But I actually think I kind of like the black detail, and I actually think I kind of like this like striped detail. So I think I might try to combine this or do something to where it's black and like this stripe pattern. I don't know, we'll see. So that's how that one came out. I think it's really cute. I really like it. That's the back, since we didn't have enough black paper to cover the entire thing. I'm so glad I went with the black. You can kind of see the E, but honestly, it looks like a vibe. So we're gonna rock with it. I'm excited. Now we get to paint these. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. I have no idea what what kind of painting we're gonna do on them, but we'll figure it out. I did find some paint, so that's a plus. So I was able to find some white paint and some red paint, and I even found this green color, but this green looks really, really green, and I don't know if I want that. I think I'll stick to the white, maybe red, but probably just white. I got my palette and I got this like sponge brush thing. I don't still really know what to do or have any ideas yet, but let's just maybe, you know, once we get started, maybe something will come to us. So I'm gonna take this big present here. All right, I don't know. I think let's just try to paint like Christmas trees or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, now that this one's dry, I'm just going to, I don't know, draw out the trees, make them look a little bit more like trees, I guess. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. I was trying to decide if I wanted to add some like red ornaments, but I don't think so. I think I like things that are really simple. So I like just the two-tone, the black and white on the brown paper. I think this looks good. Next one. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to this one. Again, no real idea. I do kind of have, wonder what that would look like if we use this as like a stencil. Making up things as we go. Sometimes that's just how things go. All right, let's see. Ew. Not that great. That's actually not that great. Let's see what that looks like. That's better. I actually like that a lot better. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just switch it up a bit. We're gonna take this and we're just going to paint over it. Paint it over that. Now, I'm just gonna take this and do like a little stencil. Sometimes we have fails, but it's all right. I love projects that are like not super serious. Ow! That didn't really go over well. That was a fail. Let's keep going. We're gonna paint this white. This is going to be painted white now. We're gonna save this. Don't worry about it. We are going to try to save this. I just went ahead and painted it all white, so it looks like it's, you know, snow covered or something. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna keep going. I'm in a mood for a gold, so let's try to do some gold. I wonder what would happen if we like took this and kind of like dabbed it. Ooh, I like that even better. Let's do that. Makes it look a bit worn, but also special and magical because it's shimmery. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I really like it. How subtle you see like the gold shimmers. I really love that. Okay, so I love these little mini Christmas tree things, and I really want to stick one right here. So I'm gonna heat up my hot glue gun to like stick that to that. Just gonna get some hot glue on this. Ah, I love it. Okay, we're gonna move on. I want the circles to be a little bit bigger and kind of imperfect. I'm gonna kind of play off these lines here. I want a very like painterly style. I like this one. I think this one's done. Yeah, I really like this one. Cute. Okay, we are done. And that is what they look like. Honestly, they turned out a lot better than I thought that they would because I literally had no idea what I wanted to do for them. So I think this is a win. I count this as a win. So for this one, I started off with just this kind of tree and this kind of tree, but then I also added this like squiggly one here to the other two sides. So that's what that looks like. I'm really excited. I'm so happy with them. I like how you can hang this one on the tree. This one's cute. Yeah, this one is definitely my favorite because it's like a little, look, it's like a clutch moment. It's kind of like, oh, here's your gift. You know what I mean? It's giving back. It's giving, you could use this. Thank you guys so much for making DIY wrapping paper with me. Although it was a bit chaotic because, you know, we didn't really have a plan, but we got there. Look, we got there successfully, I think. I will also link right here on the screen my video of the DIY wrapping paper I did last year. Go check it out and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.